Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY Guy, and do you want to protect the front end of your car from rock damage? I'll show you how. Alright guys, let's talk about this project a little bit and the reasons why you probably want to do this yourself. Now, if you have a brand new M car from BMW, the M2, the M3, the M4, or in this case, this gorgeous M4 convertible, your underbody pans up in front are all plastic. Now, that isn't necessarily a problem, probably cuts down on weight a little bit, but when you look at a skid plate and actually protecting that space, and especially your vulnerable front oil cooler, that's a big deal. I know people who have taken rocks that have skipped up and actually done some damage and have actually punched a hole in their oil cooler. So adding a skid plate like from Turner is a really good idea. Now, this isn't a hard project. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, and it's pretty easy to install, and it's going to make a big difference in protecting the front end of your car. Now, I say this on every project where I have the car up in the air, which obviously I do already.